Hello.
Good morning.
We are at Yoho National Park in Emerald Lake. It's June the 6th, and this place is really pretty, really pretty. Busy, but not Banff busy, but it's busy.
Yeah, it's a smaller place too, so
yeah.
it seems like a lot more people.
Yeah.
But it is beautiful. So we're gonna show you around some of this. We're gonna do a little hike around the lake, see some falls, and
hopefully a good day.
Yep. All right, we are at the start of Hamilton Falls hike here at Emerald Lake. It's not a very long one, about a mile total, half mile in, half mile back out, but we'll take you along. All right, we're about halfway through. It's a little rocky.
A little bit.
A little bit of an elevation gain. As you can see, we gotta go up there. So I can hear, I don't know if it's the river or the falls, but I can hear water running like over that way. So, but we're gonna keep going. You start to see some of the river along our hike as we get closer to the top. How you doing, Doug?
Good. No chilly. No chilly.
You go walking in? And if you're all wondering about my sunglasses, these are Doug's.
Second pair.
Second pair of Doug's.
I'm down to these, which I tie around my neck so she can't drop them.
I have lost 3 pairs of sunglasses on this trip. Or, I'm sorry, 2 pairs of sunglasses, my other pair of reading glasses. They have all fallen in the water. So, try not to lose these. And hopefully we hit a Walmart soon and get me some more. Luckily I had a backup pair of reading glasses, but they're so cheap and scratched up I can't hardly see through them. So yeah, Doug said he's gonna tie them around my neck next time. So this is the lake we had lunch beside. All the water around here is just absolutely gorgeous. The colors are just amazing. And it's so clear. Just beautiful. All right.
We're back.
Bugs, sorry. Yes, we are on the Wapta. I don't know how to pronounce it.
Patata.
Anyway, it's a falls that we're hiking to, so how far is it?
It said back there 2.4 kilometers, so that equals about 15 miles, I think.
Full of crap, too.
I'm not sure.
I'm not that ambitious.
I think it's about 3.5 miles, whole trip.
So we take you along on this one. See how it goes. Ooh, how's it feel?
It feels incredible. It's only about 75 out, but it is kind of sticky.
Yeah, very sticky.
And then this mist, we're 50 yards away from this thing and getting wet. It's feeling good. Kicking horse river. Check it out.
Are you happy now?
Well, yeah. Lavender lemonade.
Lavender lemonade. And I got peanut butter chocolate pretzel.
Can
They're
you
both
taste the pretzel? Okay.
pretty good. We're here in Field, the town of Field.
British
Not
Columbia.
not much to it. British Columbia. We're at one of the lodges sitting out front. They had ice cream. A couple little shops we're gonna go check out, and then head back to the camper. So, cheers.